What's up guys, RB here, and today we're going to be using Filmora 13 to spice up that fitness video for your YouTube channel. Let's take a look on how I did it.
First step, snip and clip those clips. Second, slow motion. Third, some killer tunes. Fourth, animated titles. Fifth, color selection and beautification. 6. Effects.
Oh my God!
7. More effects. And 8. Even more effects.
And that's a wrap guys, thank you for checking out my channel today, and I hope that your fitness video looks amazing. I also want you to check out my description for a link to the Filmora Creator Hub. Here's where you'll find hundreds and thousands of videos from people all around the world showcasing their talent in making cool videos. I hope you like it. Alright guys, I'll catch you next time.